want to make this, you will need this brown yarn and this lighter color yarn, a scissor, and a needle, and a hard felt cloth if you prefer to. So let's start. First, you need to make a magic circle. To make a magic circle, you need to wrap the yarn towards you, and then like that, and then you need to pull like that and make a ring, and then chain one like that. So first we need to chain 2, 1, 2, and then we will make 12 double crochet. To make a double crochet, you need to yarn over, go to the loop, pull the yarn over to pull the 2 loops, and then yarn over, and then go to the 2 loops. Again, yarn over, go inside the ring, pull in the 2 loops, 1, 2. Again, you see the 2 loops, you're gonna go around it, then you make your 3 double crochet. So to complete the circle, you need to make a 12 double crochet. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is the 12. So you need to pull the yarn tail, pull this like that. Sorry for my hands, it is quite sweaty. So you're gonna pull that yarn tail tightly to make it like this. And if it is like that, you will slip stitch. To slip stitch, you just find the first double crochet that you made here. It's the first double crochet that we made, and then we're gonna go under it. You see the 2, you're gonna go under. So you made a slip stitch. Next, you're gonna chain 2 again. We will increase every stitches. So we will have, at the end of the circle, we will have 24 double crochet. So to increase, you put 1 double crochet inside the stitches, and then you put another into the same loop, into the same stitches pala, like that. Again, you will yarn over and then go under the stitches, and then you will have 1 double crochet, and then another, you will go again inside the stitches. So that's what we're gonna do the whole time. So we're just gonna increase like this. So I'm gonna seal. Sorry about my hands. It is really sweaty and I have a bandage because I've been playing guitar lately and my hand hurts. So we're in our last stitch, so I'm gonna put my last double crochet increase like that, and then slip stitch into the first double crochet that we made here like that. For the round 3 you need to chain 2. For round 3 you're gonna put a 1 double crochet inside the first stitch, and then you're gonna increase in the second stitch like this. You put 2 double crochet inside the stitches. So the pattern will be 1 double crochet in this stitch, and then in the next stitch you will put 2 double crochet in the stitches like that. Again, you're gonna put 1 double crochet, and then in the next stitches you're gonna put 2 double crochet for the increase like that. So I'm gonna see you in the last stitch. I'm gonna change. So I'm in my last stitch, so I'm gonna put 2 double crochet or increase in the last stitch, and I'm gonna slip stitch again. Chain 2. Then for our fourth round you're gonna put 1 double crochet inside the first stitch, and then you're gonna put 1 double crochet again inside the next stitch, and then in the third stitch you're gonna put 2 double crochet, which is the increase like that. The pattern will be 2 double crochet and increase for the third stitch like that. 2 double crochet and then increase So I'm gonna see you at the end of my stitches. The pattern will be two double crochet and then increase. The increase will be 2 double crochet inside one stitch. Okay, so I'll be right back. So I'm in my last 3 stitches, so I'm gonna do double crochet, and then increase in the final stitch pala. And I'm gonna do slip stitch here in the first double crochet that we made. So we're in our fourth and last, I know, 1 2 3 4, so we're in the fifth round. So in the fifth round, we're gonna chain 2, and then we're gonna put 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the first stitch and 1 double crochet inside the second stitch and 1 double crochet inside the third stitch, and then we're gonna put 2 double crochet inside the fourth stitch. It is the increase. So the pattern will be 3 double crochet increase. So that's the pattern. In the next 3 stitches, you're gonna put 3 double crochet, and then the fourth stitch you're gonna put the increase, which is the 2 double crochet. Okay, so I'm gonna see you at the last stitch. So that will be the pattern. So I'm in my last 4 stitches, so I'm gonna do 3 double crochet and then increase. So in my last double crochet, we're gonna change color into something darker. So to change color, you need to make a unfinished double crochet like this. So you double crochet, right? Then you will left these two here, and then you're gonna put the new yarn inside instead of the last color of yarn. So you're gonna put it like that again. So you have 2 loops, right? You're gonna pull the yarn inside the 2 loop like that. And we're gonna slip stitch again here. and we will chain 2. So write the chain 2. So you're gonna cut the yarn off the last color. Enough yarn to just yarn it. While we crochet, we're gonna hide it in the back. So we don't need to we didn't need to hide the string. Tagalog na nga lang. So we don't need hindi na natin kailangan na itahiin sa ilalim itong mga stitches na to, kasi pwede mo na tong itago sa likod habang nagko-crochet. So like that. So we need to chain 2, right? So chain 2, and then we're gonna put 5 double crochet inside the first stitch, like that. Put 5 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna do 4 only because we did chain 2 right here. We did the chain 2. So that chain 2 will gonna be a first double crochet. So next we're gonna skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then we're gonna make single crochet. To make single crochet, you need to go over the third stitch here, and then we're gonna pull the loop. So we're gonna pull the yarn inside this 2 loop, you see, like that. So next we're gonna skip 1 stitches only, 1 stitch, and then we're gonna go over the second stitch to make 5 double crochet. Just simple, right? For 5, so we made our 5 double crochet, and again we're gonna skip 2 stitches, and then we're gonna put a single crochet like that. So again we're gonna skip 1 stitch and go to the second stitch, like that. We're gonna put 5 double crochet inside a single stitch. So we made 5 double crochet here, and then we're gonna skip 2 stitches and we're gonna make single crochet. As you can see, it has a stitch pa here. So we're gonna skip that and slip stitch inside this brown stitch like that, and then chain 1, and then we're gonna cut off the yarn. So we made the coaster, and we're gonna sew them. We're gonna hide the tail of our yarns so it is neat and beautiful. So we're just gonna hide it like that. Actually, you don't need to sew them or hide the tail by needle. You can just hide it with the hook like this. You're just gonna go over like that, and you're gonna hide the tail like that. So after that, we're gonna cut and hide all the tails. And we'll cut this also. So we made our coaster. Then we're gonna put the chocolate. So you need a brown yarn to make it long, and then cut. And then you will need a needle. So you're gonna put it inside. Like that, and we're gonna make the chocolate bits here. So we're just gonna sew it. Tatahiin natin. You're just gonna put it like that where you want it. and then you're gonna tie it like that. And if you want, you can hide the tail, but me, I prefer like this. So if the back is a little messy, the back is a little messy, right? So the solution I come up with is you get the hard felt paper like this. Hard felt cloth pala. I keep messing up. So this is a hard felt cloth. You will glue it like that, but we can make circle, and then we're gonna put glue stick here so it's not messy. But if you prefer like just this, it's okay. It's not a little messy naman. It is okay. But for me, I prepare if I have this cloth. So I'm just gonna cut it into circle, and then you're gonna put it there and glue it there. So we need a glue stick or glue gun there, so I'll be right back. So after we glue it together, it is like this. So if you want your coaster to be a little smaller, you just need to decrease the round. You can make it into 4 rounds only, and then make the frills like this. You can make the border if this is too big. So this is your cookie coaster. You'll put it like that, like that. So thank you for watching. See you next time. See you next time again.